Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Here is your quick guide to becoming an assistive technology services provider in Tennessee. 1. Bond, business and ID. Form your legal entity, obtain your EIN, and secure a Type 2 NPI. 2. State enrollment. Apply for certification through TennCare, State Plan, or the DIED provider. Enrollment unit. Waiver programs like ECF Choices. 3. Staff expertise. Hire an assistive technology specialist, ATP certification preferred, or a team with a background in therapy or rehabilitation. 4. Service focus. Develop protocols for assessment, device acquisition, delivery, and hands-on training for participants and caregivers. 5. Compliance. Develop an assistive technology policy manual covering assessment, maintenance, risk management, and HIPAA compliance. 6. Final approval. Begin services only after the participant's individual support plan, ISP, authorizes AT, and medical necessity is fully documented. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your agency today.